I think I shouldn't play this game anymore. I'm washed as fuck. No mechanics, no nothing. Just become Lilia to be like me. Nah, I'm the best Lilia in the server. Got up to GM played versus Caps and got... But everybody plays beta. You have to play full AP. Last split I played full AP, Lilia. I go search. Kindred is my secondary champion. Lilia, I mean. Oh, I played it on this account as well. When I was mega climbing. I did speedrun with Lilia. I need to search.